Hi, I'm Peter with Leslie Swimming Pool Supplies, and this video will show you how to use water testing strips. Regularly testing your water is the best way to keep your pool clean, safe, and ready to enjoy. During the swim season, we suggest you test your water at least 2 times per week. Test strips are the easiest way to check your water chemistry. They're simple to use and provide fast, accurate results. While test strips measure a variety of things, you want to concentrate on pH, alkalinity, and sanitizer like chlorine and bromine. For best results, make sure your pump has been running at least 1 hour before testing. Dip the test strip in the water for a couple of seconds. Then wait 10 to 20 seconds for the strip to change colors. Compare the test strip to the color chart on the package. Be sure not to wait too long. This may cause the colors to keep changing and may give you an inaccurate reading. Refer to the package for specific instructions. Occasionally, colors can be hard to distinguish on the test strips. Using a meter like the AquaCheck TrueTest digital meter will eliminate that issue and read the colors for you. The meter also keeps track of your readings so you can see trends in your water. Water tests should be completed before you add any chemicals to your pool. Also, pool chemicals can take up to a day to have their full effect. When you're not using the test strips, store them in a cool, dry place and pay close attention to the product's expiration date. In addition to testing your water at home, bring a sample to one of our stores every 2 weeks for a free test and analysis. If you have any other questions about water testing strips, call or visit your local Leslie store. For more videos and pool care tips, visit our website.